Hey, second and third graders, today you are going to be learning how to write a lead. A lead is a way to hook your reader to read the rest of your story so that they are excited to read it and they want to read more. Here are some ways to start your story. You can start your story with a sound word. You can start your story with a question, an action, or dialogue. As I read this story, I want you to think about how does the author begin this story? Okay. Switch. We all looked up as the ball flew over our heads and continued soaring through the air across the basketball court. The ball was an orange comet racing to the basket, and we all kept our eyes locked on it. We knew this basketball shot decided so much for what would happen next for our team. This was the second game that we played against the Springville Rockets, and we had lost the first one. Our team was pretty good this year, and we made it to the playoffs. If we beat the Rockets this time, we would get to go on to play in the championship game. We had played hard the whole game, and I knew Coach was proud of us. But now we were tied, and only a few minutes were left in the game. Okay. How did this author start this story? So let's reread this first paragraph. We all looked up as the ball flew over our heads and continued soaring through the air across the basketball court. The ball was an orange comet racing to the basket, and we all kept our eyes locked on it. We knew this basketball shot decided so much for what would happen next for our team. We know that the author started this with an action. I want you to continue your seed story that you started last week. I want you to write 2 or 3 possible leads using one of these options. So you can write a lead with a sound, you can write a lead with a question, an action, or dialogue. After you have written a few leads, I want you to decide which lead would work best for your story. Have a good day.